Hi, it's Carolina Cramell, AI Carolina, back with another Tech Tuesday. And yes, it is that time of year when everyone's home, the kiddos and family too, and we're all trying to save money. So today, we're going to show you some ways that you can quickly and easily make cards and coloring books and video without having to spend any or very little. So let's get started right with Canva. So Canva is my go-to for any and everything visual first. So let's get started. First on our coloring book, something you can very quickly and easily do to keep the kids busy. And it kind of can be your side hustle if you get really good at doing it. So once you get to your Canva, you'll go to Canva AI, make sure that is selected for yourself, and you'll just describe what you want to make your coloring book of. I'm going to say a coloring page of a fox beneath a tree with falling leaves. And let's see what it does for us. Images are going to be below. It'll give me a selection. I can choose the one that I would like. And I think these are some cute foxes, like the details in the tree, but this fox out here is a little bit cuter. So I'm going to go ahead and select edit. It's going to open up the page for me. I'm going to show you why I want to open it up. So now it's here. And I like it. I like it just as it is. I'm not going to change it at all. But I'm going to go down and I'm going to add a page because I want more than just one page for the kiddos to color with. So here, added a page. Now I'm going to go down to my left side where it says Magic Media. Once I click Magic Media, you saw the box pop up. And here I'm going to click in my box. I want to do another one, make another page to color. And you can make as many pages as you want. I'm going to just very quickly paste another prompt in. Um, a coloring page of, I can spell coloring, right? Let me go back. A bear gathering acorns or a stream with autumn leaves floating. So let's see what it does. It's going to give me options again. I'll get to choose the one that I want, but it's also going to do something very, very significant. I want to show you this little trick. Now, these bears are not as cute. This first one is. That's what I'm going to select. You see how it does not fill the entire page? Don't worry about it. Do not do a thing to it. Watch how I make it fill the whole page and even add more detail. Go up to the corner where it says edit. I'm going to click it. Then I'm going to go where it says BG generator, background generator. Click it. And actually, that's not what I want to do. Not this time. I'm going to go to edit. I'm actually going to go and click the arrow until I get to magic expand. I'm going to do whole page and expand and watch what it does to the entire picture, how it adds things into the background for me without me having to do anything at all. And I still get to choose the one I want to. It's the first one. Let's see what the second one looks like. Third one and the last one. Lots of detail. I think I might like this one a little bit better, more acorns. No, I think I like this third one better. So that's what I'm going to pick. And you can add as many pages as you would like. And once you finish, you just hit the share button, move myself out of the way, the share button, download, PDF, PDF format, and it's good to go. Very easy for you to do for you and your kids. That's how, number one, you can use Canva. I do use a pro version. You will need the pro version for this, but I will leave my link down below for you to try it for 14 days for free. But I guarantee once you try this pro version, you're not going to want to go back. And it is well worth the $12 a month that it costs. So give that one a try. And let's move on to our very next way to use Canva. You're going to love it. The next thing we're going to do with Canva is to make a card. Cards are great this time of year. Everyone's making them or giving them out and hoping to receive them. Let's help you to make one that's truly unique for you and for yours. So when you go to Canva, you're going to go to create and you're going to choose group greeting card. And once you're there, you can choose your style, your idea. You can just put in winter or snow, whatever you would like, and get a number of different options from Hello Winter to you have your holiday themes, whatever is your fancy, you just go for it. I'm going to just choose the winter here. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm going to go for. Now, I'm going to also go to do some things with the wording here. I'm going to change it. So let me just go ahead and highlight it. Shift, highlight the second one, shift, group it together so I can move it around. And I'm going to go and insert my picture in, which I hope that you do insert your family's pictures in to make it more personalized. I have to go to uploads and I'm going to find my photo. Here, I'm here. Now, in this photo, I don't look very festive. I don't look like I fit into this winter scene. This is where Canva comes in. It's going to help me to fit the scene. So I go to edit and I'm going to help it to make me fit the scene better with the background. So look at BG generator, background generator, mountains of snow. That's what I want to see in my background. So it looks like I actually fit the picture. And let's see what it does. And I get to just select the one that I think looks the best. So let's see what it does. And there are mountains. The first one. Next one. They're not bad. I think I like this one better. So I'm going to hit done. Then I have my mountains of snow. I kind of want it to encompass more. Position it in the back, first of all, backwards. And to go behind everything. But now I also want it to, oops, let's undo that. Let's go ahead and do our magic expand. I want this to be able to spread across the entire card. So you go into where it says magic expand and you click it. I want you to do the whole card. I'm going to click the whole page and expand it. And again, I'll have an option to choose which is going to look the best. Okay, do I like this version with a tree, with a post, another tree? It gave me short sleeves this time. Not very smart if we're outside. That looks kind of cool. The tree, I think, is a little bit more cooler. I think this first one's just fine. That's what I'm going to go with. And now I'm going to see if I can position it to the back. Yes, that's what I want to be able to get my flowers to come to the front. Let me see if I can copy this or bring the other ones to the front. There we go. So I'm just very particular with how I want my things to look on my paper, on my card. And I'm sure you do too when you're decorating something, designing something. Totally natural. Okay. Now to make sure that my words pop and they really stand out, I am going to something of I'm going to highlight them again, my words. Get my words done first. Okay. Do my words of effects with the outline. Outline a little bit darker. There we go. And then with the winter outline. And you can put your own message there, of course. I'm just going to sit with the hello winter for now and then move this back on so it goes on without any issues. But you are able to change things as you see fit to make it fit your card as you need it to look like. So easy to make your cards and they look professionally done. That's one way to do it with cards. You can also make it your second page if you would like to. So that's number 2 with using Canva. Have fun with it. And again, I'm leaving my link down below. The last way we're going to use Canva is to make little short video clips. And Canva has this new way of you can use describe to have it to make felt type characters or even play characters. And unlike other platforms where they charge you or limit your usage of the generations, Canva does not have a limit. So let me go ahead and paste one in. A prompt. This is what it's using the plushy felt type characters, and let's see how it does. And it says here it may take up 2 minutes. No, it had to. When you do your prompt, it does have to be on video as you're putting it in. Make sure it's selected under Canva AI in video. I forgot to mention that when we first started. It does take a while, and the way you could use this is have your child or your student or even as your adult learner to think about what they want the scene to look like. It's going to be a very short clip. They have to understand what it's going to look like to be able to tell Canva what you want to see. Because if you can't explain it to the computer, to the program, then you can't. It's just not going to happen. You can use ChatGPT to help you, but usually your own human words are the best way to do it, and you'll get better over time. You'll see that child start to understand what the program is looking for, and when they can understand what the program is looking for, they're going to get better with their words too. So let's see what it says here. Okay. What it shows us here. There she goes. Red hair, green glasses, and all. Let's try it one more time. In our pocket. She's going to smile. There we go. Good job. So there's just really easy ways to keep your child busy. They had to be able to explain this to the program as to what we're looking for. The yellow coat, the red hair, the green glasses, reaching into the pocket, spelling the camera, even the background lavender. Every little detail has to be explained for or mentioned, or the computer doesn't know what to do. Details is what you're teaching them. All these really great skills that they're learning, even as adults, that sometimes we forget. So I think these are really great ways that you're able to save yourself time, give yourself some freedom, and give yourself more money power. Have a great day, and I hope that you enjoyed this session of Tech Tuesday. And we will see you again next week. Happy travels, and be safe and enjoy your family.